Music production is going to change dramatically. The latest release of AI software tools like suno or udio raises the question of the future of music production and eventually the future of music producers. My name is Rob Drody, I'm a music producer. The huge upcoming transition may affect everyone's career in the music industry. We will see loads of cheap AI-generated music with very little human input. In my opinion, there are going to be three approaches for music production in the future. The first one is what I call the top-down approach. The top-down approach starts from the prompting software. The music producer expresses what he wants and he gets a music piece, which he then uses as a starting point. From there on, he sculptures his music, getting new examples from new prompts, adding something, removing something, merging something, etc. This is a new way of music production. It is music production like pottery. Obviously, at this moment, there are still heavy limitations to the creative process when it comes to prompting. The generative AI softwares are eventually getting more and more specific, giving more and more space for creativity. Eventually, that means you can use them and you can be an artist. The second approach is what I call the bottom-up approach. The bottom-up approach works with traditional DAWs like Cubase or Ableton, etc. By including more and more AI tools into these DAWs, the number of necessary decisions decreases, making it more and more convenient, making it easier and easier to produce good and competitive music. The third approach is what I call the hybrid approach. The AI abilities are inspiration and/or audio input to the traditional way of music making. In this approach, the producer takes AI content like custom vocals, a cool AI chord progression, a funky 70s disco drum loop, etc., uses it in his DAW and finishes the track. It will be interesting to see how these three avenues evolve. Maybe the prompting softwares get DAW elements in it. On the other side, prompting or generative AI is getting more and more integrated into DAWs. Maybe someday in the future, the approaches will meet and we will have the super DAW, which is super easy to use. What's your opinion about the future of music production? Write it in the comments. Follow my channel and keep up with these huge developments.